So hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an emergency kit for back to school or slash for girls. Hope you guys enjoy this video and let's go on to the video.
I see you focus, yeah, you're so independent. It's hard for me to open up, I'll admit it. You got some shit to say and I'm here to listen. So baby, tell me where your love lies. Waste a day and spend the night.
This is emergency kit for girls. Okay, let's see what is in this bag. Okay, so I have this bag full of emergency stuff. Okay, ready guys? Okay. So first thing first, if you are a girl, you're going to need this. So these are pads and it comes with, it don't say, oh, it comes with 38 pads. So you're gonna need a pad. Next, for an emergency kit, this is the other mini size pad. You can travel with this to school. The lighting is kind of horrible, but you can travel with this small mini pack to school. You can just put it in your bag and then you can travel with it to school. So this is like a mini pack. Next we have some, these are actually alcohol. These are like alcohol bandages, like they have alcohol in them. I'm gonna show you, give me open it so you can see. It's like a mini size paper with alcohol just in case you get hurt. All you have to do is rub it in wherever you get hurt, wherever you get cut, and you're good to go. So this is like a small little thing. So you can't live without lotion because your skin is going to be ashy, guys. We need some lotion. So lotion. Next, wipes. You will need some wipes to wipe your face, or when you go to the bathroom and you need to wipe your side, you can get some wipes. What's next? You're gonna need some perfume. Perfume. You want to smell good, you can need some perfume. Next, you're gonna need some rubber bands, hair band, just in case your hair is a hot mess or you want to put your hair in a ponytail. You can go ahead and do that. Okay, so we have some, you know what, the important thing in the entire world, deodorant. Because it's hot and we need some deodorant underneath our arms. So this have to be the first must. Okay, the must. And we're gonna need some lip gloss, chopstick with not, just in case our lips are dry, and a mini size perfume. And must have, these are like panties just in case, God forbid, your period come on and it's all over your clothes, all over your panties and stuff, and you want to change it, you can just go with this. And this is like a shampoo, just in case you want to wash your hair after PE, your hair kind of sweaty, depends how your hair is, and you want it to kind of smell good. You want to do like a quick wash in the sink in school with your hair. You can travel with this or what's not. And if you're in a hurry and you forget to brush your teeth at home, you can get a mini size toothpaste. You can go to school with it and get your brush and go to school with your brush. I don't know if people do that. I think people do. I never do that because the first thing you have to do before you go in the tub or you bathe, you have to brush your teeth, right? Yeah, so I guess that is it. So this is emergency kit for girls, and also you're gonna need a brush and a comb just in case you want to comb your hair and brush your hair. Hope you guys enjoy this mini size emergency kit for girls. Hope you guys enjoy this, and thank you so much for watching GlamorousMorana channel. Don't forget to click and subscribe. Goodbye. Hey guys, it's GlamorousMorana. Don't forget to subscribe.